contact ground 1217.
We're going 1217. November.
Alright, 3, clear takeoff 7, wind estimated 060 degrees at 18 knots.
Westjet 2433, telephone short 07.
Copy, stand by. Street 3 Tower, line up and wait 07 for departure. We'll be releasing a Cessna in front of you at intersection Delta.
Got line up and wait 07 at Alpha and check traffic coming off of Delta Washington.
Going where they in with the caution on wake. You are cleared for takeoff on 7, wind estimated 060 degrees, 17 knots.
Takeoff 07, November 808, Delta Tango.
Niner 83, airborne 53, contact radar 1208, good day.
08, there again.
433, clear takeoff on 7, wind estimated 070 degrees at 8 knots.
It was unreadable at 2433. That's at 2433.
Airborne 54, traffic going 738, now 11 miles, joining the final at 3,400 feet. Switch to radar 1208.
20.8, Delta Tango. United 1519, line off the runway 7 on time.
1519 Tower Roger, continue approach. Traffic advisory Cessna 206, opposite direction. Now 3 miles to the west northwest, north of your approach at 700 feet.
519, continuing in search of traffic.
433 confirms squawk 6730.
6730, Westjet 2433.
Airborne 55 over the radar 1208.
2433.
19 Tower, clear to land on runway 07, wind estimated 070 degrees, 15 knots.
Land runway 7, United 1519. Hold short, runway 07, and we are ready.
1206, roger, standby. Short final line up behind for departure 07.
For landing traffic, line up and wait, runway 07, yeah, 1206.
Arrive 01, vacate Alpha. When clear off the runway, contact ground 1217.
Vacate Alpha, contact ground 1217, when clear, United 1519.
1206, cleared for takeoff. Runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 16 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, United 1206. JetBlue 780, hold it short runway 07 at Alpha, ready for departure.
7780, roger that. Line up and wait 07 for departure.
Wait 07 for departure, JetBlue 780.
Airborne 03, contact radar 1208.
Point 8, have a great day, United 1206.
You too. 0 tower, cleared for takeoff 7, wind estimated 060 degrees at 18 knots.
Alright, thank you, clear for takeoff, runway 7 780. Good afternoon, subject 854 Heavy, fully established 9 miles an hour, 607.
At 854 Heavy, thanks to tower, good afternoon, continue your approach for 07.
Subject 854.
Runway 07, wind estimated 070 degrees at 19 knots.
Runway 07, subject 854.
780 Airborne 05, contact radar 1208, good day.
1208, JetBlue 780, thank you, take care. On visual approach, runway 07.
2162 tower, good day, continue your approach. Number 1 traffic is 2.5 miles final.
2162, continue. Oh no, but you Delta Assurance 7, ready for departure.
Behind the 787, line up behind that Delta caution wing.
Copy caution, line up behind the 787 on shot, final November July.
62 traffic advisory, Cessna 206 will be departing the station opposite direction to you, traveling north of your approach at 1,000 feet.
62, copy.
For Heavy arrives 09, if you can make Bravo, take it, and when clear, contact ground 1217.
7 and 851, take Bravo, subject 854.
North and clear, traffic established 5 miles, wind estimated 070 degrees 18 knots, start takeoff on 7.
7, copy, traffic 5 miles, November July. 67 Alpha, holding short on 807, ready in sequence.
For Alpha, line up wait 7.
67 Alpha. Alpha can take an immediate.
Start takeoff runway 07 at Delta, wind estimated 80 degrees 18 knots, north and clear, 1,000 initially.
Runway 07 and 1,000 initially, north and clear, November Alpha. Over contour, over
Over the radar? Okay, we have additional, now approximately 3 miles to the northwest, level 3215,000, radar 1208.
1208 on the way back, November July.
Alright.
Later.
2162, traffic no longer factor, clear to land 7, wind estimated 070 degrees, 18 knots.
62 traffic inside, runway 07, clear to land.
3 miles, additional Airbus 321, joining at 2 miles to the northwest.
6 November, we have the number 1 traffic inside, looking for additional traffic.
Roger, you can push the radar 120.
Radar 120, that's late, 6 November Alpha.
2162, arrival 12. Vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
162, right onto Bravo, and ground 117. Good evening, JetBlue 479, RMP 7.
9 Tower, good day to you, continue approach 47. Wind estimated 070 degrees, 17 knots.
JetBlue 479.
Four seven nine, arrival 17. Vacate Bravo, wind clear, contact ground 121.7. Estimated 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Runway 7, American 879. Tower, Delta 1899 is hold short, runway 7, ready.
9 Tower, roger, line up and wait 07 for departure.
Up and wait, runway 07, Delta 1899.
Wind at station estimated 070 degrees at 19 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 0.
For takeoff, runway 07, Delta 1899. Tower, good day, Sweatset 2227, we're ready to go for 07.
2227, hello to you, line up and wait 7 for departure.
Line up and wait for 07 for Westjet 2227.
One 899, airborne 23, contact Sanctuary radar 1208, good day.
0.8, Delta 1899.
0726, wind estimated 070 degrees, 17 knots, cleared for takeoff 07.
Okay, gap runway 07, Sun Country 726. Delta 1893, ready for departure, runway 07.
1893 Tower, line up and wait 7.
Runway 07, Delta 1893.
726, airborne 27, contact radar 1208.
Sun Country 7260.
And a 3 wind estimated 070 degrees 14 knots, cleared for takeoff 17.
Stand clear for takeoff, Delta 1893 on runway 7.
Wind and station estimated 070 degrees 15 knots, cleared to land 7.
Land 07, Delta Tango.
And a 3 airborne 30, contact radar 120.8, bye bye.
20.8, bye now.